I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the shape of the prism and its cross-sectional base, because the base area drives the whole calculation. Measure the base dimensions accurately. For triangle, get base and height. For a rectangle, get length and width. Once done, compute the base area using the appropriate formula so you have a single area value in square units. Make sure to record the prism height h perpendicular to the base. This is the distance you will multiply by the base area. Now calculate the base area step by step and keep units consistent to prevent errors later. For triangle, use 1/2 times base times height. For rectangle, multiply length by width. For irregular polygons, partition into familiar shapes and sum their areas. Once you have the base area, double-check calculations and units. Convert cm to m if the prism height is in meters. Make sure to simplify fractions or decimals, so the area is a Finally, multiply the base area by the prism height to get volume. V equals a times h. You multiply a square unit area by a linear unit, producing cubic units, so report m3, cm3, etc. If your base area was in square centimeters and height in meters, convert one so both match before multiplying. Once done, round appropriately for the context. If the result seems wrong, check that the height is perpendicular to the base and reconfirm unit consistency as the most common source of mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.